weather tonight because it's going to be interesting with the games. We've got the Clippers as well.
I was going to say that Gavin DeGraw, you got my attention. Well, I can tell you, for the Aviators forecast, for the Clippers forecast, just know earlier in the night, if you're going to be out and about in Columbus, we're going to have some storms to watch out for. Yeah. So some of them could be a little bit on the stronger side, but as you look at the Aviators forecast, you can see it's going to be really mild, like we're dealing with right now. Temperatures in the upper 60s to low 70s. And by halftime, we are going to have temperatures in the low 70s. By heading home, we're in the 60s with some more chances of showers and storms. But our 10 weather impact forecast as we look here, it is going to be for gusty winds again, and that summer feel lingers today and tomorrow. In fact, we could be setting some records with our highs both today and tomorrow. But then we look into Saturday afternoon and evening, and we are looking at a risk for strong to severe storms. So we're going to be talking about that as well, especially coming up in the next hour. But as we take a look outside, we do have some scattered showers, maybe some quick heavy downpours coming through, but it's very more few and far between. The story yet again going to be the wind gusts. As you can see this morning, we are going to have some gusts between 20 to 30 miles per hour again coming out of the southwest, but that's what's bringing us that really warm air. And in the next 12 hours, you can see that the rain chances will taper off. We'll eventually get some sun as we head into the second half of the day, and then there is going to be that risk, as I'll show you, for some chances of showers and storms today, and then as we go into the second half here tomorrow. So let's start off with today's forecast. This morning, again, you can see those rain chances moving out. Temperatures this morning very mild. We're going to be in the 60s to kick off the day, and then as we go into the afternoon, you can see some peaks of sun there, and then the chances of scattered showers and storms move through. And then as we go into Saturday, here's noon. I'm going to show you what happens afternoon. We do have another warm day ahead for us. Actually, we'll go back to that coming up in the next half hour, but we are going to be watching that forecast for us as we go into the second half of your Saturday. And again, we'll talk about that coming up in the next half hour. We are going to have a risk for strong to severe storms. And then as we move into Sunday, for Easter Sunday, it is going to be significantly cooler. So get ready. We're going to be seeing a big drop in those temperatures as we go into Sunday and Monday, though we stay in the 50s. Tuesday is actually looking to be our coldest day, but we do rebound nicely as we go into the second half of next week, as we'll be back into the 60s and 70s. So the warmest of the weather going to be the next couple days with that summer feel and summer breezes. And then as we go into next week, we'll feel a little bit cooler for the mornings especially. But you can see by the second half of the week, we start to see temperatures go right back up again. And we'll be back into the mid 70s by Thursday. Again, nice mix of sun and clouds. So we'll be watching that chance of storms the next couple of days. But then next week actually looking pretty nice for us as well.